If you're using an Apple iPhone, sometimes your phone will have the WhatsApp application, and one thing is that your Apple iPhone will normally automatically back up WhatsApp chats to your iCloud. But if you think you don't want any backup of your chats and you want to delete that backup of your chats, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to completely delete WhatsApp chat backup files from your Apple iPhone. For this, you don't need to go to the WhatsApp application, but one thing is that sometimes in your WhatsApp application, that auto backup will be enabled. So, if you're deleting that file also, if that auto backup is enabled, after some time it'll be backed up again, and that file will again come to your iCloud. So, we need to disable this auto backup. For this, open the WhatsApp application, and when you're opening it here, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo, and when you're clicking on that, here you can see the Chats option. Click on Chats, and here you can see Chat Backup. Click on Chat Backup. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Auto Backup. Click on this. Sometimes it'll be set to daily, weekly, or monthly. If it's set to any of those options, what you need to do is click on Off. After that, you can go back, and after this, no automatic backup will be there. Anyways, after this, close the WhatsApp application. Then what you need to do is open your phone settings. When you're opening phone settings, above you can see your name. That'll be your iCloud account. Just click on that. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the iCloud option. Click on iCloud, and when you're clicking on that, here you can see the storage option. Click on Storage. When you're clicking on Storage, here you can see WhatsApp Messenger. Click on WhatsApp Messenger. When you're clicking on that, here you can see one option, Delete Data from iCloud. So, if you want to completely delete your backup, just click on Delete Data from iCloud, and here you can see the Delete option. When you're clicking on that, that complete data will be deleted. So after this, every backup file will be deleted. So, this way you can easily completely delete WhatsApp chat backup files from your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.